Got the S10 loaded up and I'm going to be headed to the Onawa dragway here. Hopefully we can get this thing in the 6s. I want to show you what I've done to it, which wasn't a whole lot since last time I raced it. But earlier I was changing stuff, and I did get that stock seat back in there. Get the hood open here. I was talking about putting that Pro System polycarb on, and that's really the only major thing I've done to it. I did get it on there. Everything hooked back up like it should be. Oh, that wire shouldn't be up there. I went out after I installed it and just kind of went for a drive, just kind of see how it acted. And it seemed alright. The only problem I was having is if I smashed the throttle to the floor, it was kind of hesitating. So I upped the power valve and it had a 6.5 in it, so I stuck an 8.5 in it and went for another drive, and that seemed to be doing the trick. I'm going to get everything, you know, ready so I can go up to Onawa. There's some stuff I need to throw in the truck, like my timing light and some other stuff. I do have my jacket in there and my helmet. I think I still need to throw the tools in the truck. We'll head up there and see what we can do. Seems to be running good with the carb on it. I don't know, I did that front end work in the last video. We'll see if that does anything. It helps or makes it worse. So after I get back, I'll show the time slips, and hopefully we can get in the 6s.
Right lane from Melbourne, Iowa, we got Dean with a D in his 93 Chevy S10 cow. Wordquest from Beersford, South Dakota, 95 S10 on S10. Who thought this up? Now we got a race of the S10s right here. What happened to Zach Terry? Might have to challenge these guys tomorrow. Wow, that S10 is quick. Left lane with the wind light, turning in a 583, 130 mile an hour. Putting it to the Melbourne, Iowa kid, Dean with a D. 709 is his time, 96 miles an hour. Chad Kors from Omaha, Nebraska in the F-150 into the right lane. Taking on Dean D with Melbourne, Iowa, from Melbourne, Iowa. Excuse me, got a little coat tie there. S10 pickup in the left lane, F-150 in the right. Left lane turning in the wind in spite of the red light. He got there the fastest, 7.04. Right lane, Dean with a D from Melbourne, Iowa.
What did you run? 7-0?
699.
7-0. Give it a second.
Chevy gonna take the wind line. He's turning in a 646, 105 mile an hour. Not too far off in the right lane. He's turning in a 648, 106 mile an hour. Right lane, he's getting faster and faster, 105 mile an hour with a 656. Scott Callahan now messing around tonight. He's got that Chevy hooking up.
Yeah. Okay, look. Inside the building to the right. In the building to the right.
Red light, did he? Nope, he got red. He got the red light. 110, he said?
From Omaha, Nebraska, in a 75 Chevy. Right lane will take it with 105 mile an hour, 655 on it. Alright, couple fast ones here. Connor in his S10 in the right lane. Zach Gibbons in the left lane for back drive with 59 Lord.
Not running back.
It's the next day and we're back from Onawa, and I have to say I'm happy that it finally ran 6s. It finally frickin' did it. I'll show you the time slip here. Actually, there's 2 6-second passes. I don't remember how many passes I got, but quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I probably could have went more. It gets kind of redundant just going around, running the same thing over and over without doing anything to the truck. And you're just kind of, if you're shifting or what kind of condition the track's in. But here's a 6-second pass. I don't know if you can read that. This is Onawa dragway. 10th, 4th, 24th. And 1.52 60 foot time, 698, 96, 96. And here's the fastest 690. Onawa dragway, ran a 151 60 foot time, 6980 at 96.75. Now I was up there and I was kind of running it. And I was running like 7 flats. But my 60 foot times weren't the greatest. Like 154s, a lot of 154 60 foot times. And I know this truck's run 151s before. So I'm thinking if I can get back to a 151, it should run a 16, or not a 16, but a 690. And that's what happened. But I did jet it up when I was up there. I jumped up, I think I had 76s. 76, 86, I went 78, 88s, and it seemed to help. That's when I got the 690s. So that's pretty impressive for no more than this truck is. There's time slips. I'm going to take it over to I-29 here this next weekend. See what it does over there. And maybe when I'm over there, I'll try to use the nitrous if it'll hook. That track's kind of schizophrenic. Sometimes it hooks, sometimes it don't. So we'll see. And that'll do it on the S10. And I'll have more next weekend, as long as the weather holds out. With me over at I-29.